Hey everyone, welcome back to Off the Trails Outdoors. If you're new here, let me catch you up on the project. Over the past few weeks, I've been working on converting an old shipping container into a functional lumber and firewood kiln, something that I've wanted to do for a while now. It all started with delivery day, getting the container dropped off and set in place on some solid railroad ties. From there, I laid out the kiln dimensions, framed up the interior walls and ceilings, and sprayed in closed cell foam insulation on the ceiling to lock in the heat. In today's video, I'm moving to the next step, installing 2-inch rigid foam board over the spray foam to increase insulation and prepare for the ceiling. This step is key to getting the kiln sealed up tight and ready for heat. Stick around, there's more to come, and I'm glad you're along for the build. Okay, so I just did 2 inches of foam board on the bottom of the spray foam. So I'm cutting that foam board 21.5 inches in between the joists, and then I'm kind of just sticking it up there. It's very tight. I might need to spray foam the ends or just kind of pull it down a little bit, but other than that, it looks great. Like I want to see up here in this left corner, I want to somehow try to pull that down, and the same with this corner. But it looks great. For tonight, okay, I just added 2 full sheets. Looking really, really sharp. I'm saving all my extra scrap pieces I cut off just to put in the corners or something. I'll find something for it. But 2 more left, and we should be almost done. I've got to add on my studs here, but it is coming along nicely. So I'm going to try to do that tonight, get the studs up.
Okay, got everything insulated at the top with my foam board. Here, I don't know if today, maybe tomorrow, I'll work on my sides here and start wrapping it in OSB on the ends here. Then I'll come back in with my spray foam and then we'll kind of finish this insulation job up. But it's coming along nicely. Okay, that's how I'm going to finish off an end, and then I'll come in here and shoot this whole channel full of spray foam on both sides. Okay, got my last pieces on the end. I have to add some exterior vents on the side. I need to have those sidewalls accessible because I'm going to be putting a few panels in where I can run wires into this container and make sure it's sealed up. Because I have a humidifier going in first, and I'll need a place for the hose and the water to drip out from the humidifier. So that's kind of what I'm going to start working on now. I might get some other vents as well. I think it'd be a lot easier with the cavities open to get that installed. So I might be at a standstill inside the kiln. I did have my paint delivered for the outside of the storage container. So I did order 2 gallons of leather brown Rust-Oleum paint. So that paint will go onto this green container. I'm not sure if 2 gallons is going to cover it all, but I want to at least start the process, and I'm going to start on this side, this end portion right here. There's not a lot of damage or rust that I need to clean up, so I'm going to take a wire wheel, clean that up, and I'll probably get this spot done first. So I'll do this end first, and then I'll work on this side right after that. And the reason I'm going to do that is because that's the side that faces the road. And I want this to kind of blend into my woodshed here and not stick out like a big green sail. So that's what I'm going to be working on next. That's all I have for this video. So ceiling's done, ready for plywood or OSB. I'm not sure what I'm going to do there yet, but I will get that covered here next, along with the paint on the outside, and then I'll also start working on the sidewalls. If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with the progress of this project. I hope to have this kiln running here in the next few weeks. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video.